Hi, I am Bhanu from Gurugram. I am a passionate MCA student and a full stack Java developer skilled in Stack, Python, Django, MySQL, HTML, and CSS. I also have hand-on deployment experience with AWS Cloud. I successfully completed the 100 Days of Code challenge, which helped me my strength, real-world project development abilities. Currently, I am pursuing my master's from Mangalam University, Gurugram, and recently I completed my bachelor's from Government Holkar Science College, Indore. I also have worked as a full stack developer intern at Uses Stick Corporation, Gurugram, and contributing to both front-end and back-end development. Some of my key projects includes ConnectMates, a real-time collaboration system, and Weather app using APIs. And one of my major project is House Crew, an online home service request system. I am looking for an opportunity where I can contribute my theoretical knowledge. Thank you for watching.